Well, hello there and welcome to Cooking with Hayley. Yep, this is something different that we're doing for Legless Not Lifeless, living the nightmare, chasing the dream, and Hayley's going to just demonstrate some of the things that she cooks for us, and I hope that you enjoy it. It's something different, and please give it...
Hello! So I'm just going to give you a little geezer at the bolognese we had last night. I use slow cook a lot because I work long shifts in the community nursing. Matt travels an hour when he's finished work to get home, which if you don't live in the UK that might not sound a lot, but in the UK that's quite a long commute for us. So last night we had lovely bolognese. Interesting for you. So tonight I'm going to just make that into a lasagna, but I've got home and I've not got any lasagna sheets and I'm really tired. I've already taken the dog, but I don't want to go to the shop, and also it's a waste of money. I've got some tortilla wraps that have been in the fridge that are getting a bit crispy that need using up, so all I've done is I've chopped them up to fit in my air fryer, and I'm going to give them a quick blast, and then I'm going to use them to lay it in my lasagna, and I'll show you it once I've done it. So you can see my tortilla sheets are lovely and hard now. I've laid up like a microwave dish so my dad can just reheat his, and I'll put it in the bottom there. What I put on this is I put a garlic butter on it, like garlic gold it's called, and it's lovely, and it's just going to add an extra layer of flavour. Delicious. So then all we're going to do now is put the mince in and then put a layer of natural yogurt on. I use natural yogurt instead of white sauce, one because it's 40p for a whole tub, and also it cuts on calories and cheese, and in this economic climate cost me, like I say, 37p for a tub of natural yogurt, and a jar of cheese sauce costs you about £2. So quick tip here, I'm just going to layer it up and then I will show you the finished look. So that's the last layer done. I just need to put my yogurt on now and cheese so you can see what it looks like finished. Obviously a hodgepodge stuff, I'm not really into perfection. Life's too short to be faffing around. This is just going to get consumed by us and end up in our bellies and come out as waste. So what's the point? It will look appetising enough. So there you go. So one tub of 37p low fat natural yogurt has done my dad's little portion here, which is 2 layers, and ours, which is 3 layers. And then I just chip some cheese, because cheese is obviously one of the food groups. So I'm lying, it's dairy, but I absolutely love cheese. It's my downfall. I could live without sugar, but I can't live without cheese. I like all cheese. I like blue cheese. I like cheese with things in. I like hard cheeses. I like soft cheeses. I like cheese. Right, so there you go. Perfecto. Well, just about. So there we go. That's tonight's quick dish from leftover bolognese and some slightly dry tortillas that needed using. A money saver and bargain, and it's going to be delicious. Thank you.
There you are, you can see the lasagna that Hayley made us, which was absolutely delicious, and it really did go down a treat. If you'd like to know more about the ingredients or anything like that, then please let us know and I'll send you the ingredients. And also if you'd like to see more of these kind of things, then please let us know, because cooking with Hayley is something that she really enjoys and it helps her to relax and de-stress and all that lot, and she wants to share it with you. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.